Hey algebra class, welcome to my basement. What we're going to do this week is we're going to just learn something slightly new that's not too difficult. We're going to look at function operations, which is the next part of the unit. Now, I'm just going to do question 1 and 6 from the worksheet I've set you. You do the other questions, and it will be graded for a few marks on Jupyter. This isn't too difficult, like I was saying. Each question has two different expressions and it tells you what to do. I think the first 4 questions are adding and then the last 4 questions are subtracting. So all I'm going to do is find ht plus gt. I'm going to sub in ht and gt with the expressions here. t3 minus 5 plus 2t minus 5. And then just to make it a bit cleaner, I'm going to collect anything that goes together. In this case, it's just these two numbers, the negative 5s. T3 does not go with T. They're different things, different powers, so I can't add them, okay? They have to stay separate. And now negative 5 take away 5 is negative 10, alright? And that's actually my answer. So all that's happened here after I've subbed them in is these two have combined to give me this. Let's move on to number 6, way down your sheet. And I've chosen this example because it's got negative and it's got a couple different things that add together, okay, other than just the numbers. You'll see. So when I substitute in, ht is 3t plus 4, and subtract, it's very important that you use a bracket or change this in some way before you put it and try and collect them. I'm going to use a bracket. I'll show you what happens. 3t3 plus 5t. You see, having the bracket in here, if I was to distribute it, that's not broken. Then I'm gonna get this outcome. So put a 1 in there if it helps you. Those two stay the same, but now I'm gonna have negative 3t to the power of 3, and then the negative 5t when I distribute this, okay? So you see how that and that, both signs have changed, okay? So just remember to do that when you're subtracting. Make it, maybe put a bracket in and distribute it to make it easier. Final thing, we do the same thing that we did over here. We're going to collect anything that can go together. In this case, I collect these two things. 3t take away 5t. So 3t take away 5t is negative 2t. And these two just stay the same. Plus 4, take away 3t3. There's nothing else I can do here. That is my final answer. Okay? We're having attendance words, at least for now, for these classes, to show that you're watching videos or whatever it is. Your attendance word for today, I'm just going to go with sponge. Okay? Sponge. And that will do it. Finish that worksheet. I'm going to probably set up a meet, some kind of online Zoom meeting or something this week, just so that we can check out if it works, and if you have any questions I can answer them then. And that's all I want you to do. Have a good week.